Hey everybody, this is Chris Arnold, Avon Independent Sales Leader, and I have your product picks and preview for you for Campaign 7 of 2018. And Campaign 7, we are introducing Avon's first contouring and highlighting line in our makeup category. And I think I've mentioned before, I'm more of a, everyday woman kind of makeup. I don't do a lot of fancy stuff with my makeup. I focus on a fairly, not really necessarily natural look, of course, because I wear a lot of purples, which is not necessarily natural looking. So I go for more natural looking, not necessarily the naked makeup look, although I do sometimes do that too. But I'm looking, I usually focus more on quick and easy, everyday, try to get the makeup done in under 5 minutes type of makeup looks where you just focus on playing up the features that you really want to highlight and, playing down the features that are maybe not your favorite. So I do a lot of working with the eyes, and then, of course, I always make sure I have my lipstick on no matter what, because even if I do my eyes, I might have sunglasses on all day. But what I love about our contouring and highlighting line, even though that's not something that I've been attracted to as far as beauty trends, but I love that we did it in a way with a color palette and with formats for the products that make it easy to integrate into that quick and easy everyday makeup look. So this is something that anybody could do. And I'm not going to do much in the realm of how-tos with the contouring makeup because Avon's makeup artist, Kelsey Dinahan, did an excellent series of videos showing how to do the contouring and the highlighting with these products. But first up, we have our 2-in-1 contour stick. And the contouring stick is really going to be for that reshaping of the face. If you want your face to be a little bit thinner, if you want to play up your cheekbones a little bit more, if you want to change the shape of, your nose, your forehead, your jawline, wherever you want to go with that, then the 2-in-1 contouring stick would be the way to do that. And they have kind of an example of the areas that you might use that in. And we have it in 3 shades. This is the light, and it's a dual-ended. There's a light and a dark shade on each one. And just want to double check that, yeah, this is the light. So I was just looking at the medium one, and I wasn't sure. So you have a light and a dark shade on the end of each one. I'm just trying to pull those off without catching those. So this is the light. And the light shade in this one is, you see, very, very light. And then this is the dark shade in the light 2-in-1 stick. So you would use your light shade for anything that you wanted to either get rid of shadows, that you wanted to lighten or bring out. And then the dark would be the things that you want to kind of slim out or have it. So basically light brings out, dark fades away. So you can create shadows to redefine the shape, or you can lighten up areas that you want to stand out a bit more. This is the medium shades. It's funny, I tell you, when I'm sitting at my makeup table, I'm not so careful taking off caps, and I never end up, catching the product, but I still always worry about that on video for some reason. And this is the light and the dark shades in the medium stick. You can see just a little bit darker there. And then, of course, the deep shades. And I like that the deep shades are a little bit warmer. They've got kind of a golden undertone to them, at least the lighter shade there. So that's our light, medium, and deep in the 2-in-1 contouring stick. And before we go to the others, I'll take a quick moment. I will use our, this is the Anew Clean Micellar water. This is the cleansing water. Wonderful stuff because you can use it whenever, especially great when you don't have access to a soap and water to a sink to clean things up, but it does a great job even on freshly applied makeup. Taking that right off of there. And I love this stuff. This is an integral part of my evening skincare routine. I use that to take off all of my makeup and get my face ready for my night creams without having to splash my face with water and wake myself up. So really, really love that. And then we have two options for highlighters. We have the powder highlighter, or you can do the cream, and that's also kind of in a stick. So this is in the highlighting stick, or the illuminating stick. This is Champagne. We'll do a nice little swatch of that here. And that's kind of a pinky, pinky gold, not even really a gold. It's just a nice pink highlight. And it's a very creamy formula, so it would blend very well, and will blend away the edges there. And then this one you won't even actually be able to tell is on my it's on my hand once I get rid of the edges. You just kind of see that spot where it catches the light. So that's where you get that kind of just where where it almost looks like your face is lit from within. It's just a really beautiful look. And then this is the rose gold in the illuminating stick. And you can see that one's got a little more color to it. So you would want to use that where you would want a darker shade, or if you have a darker skin tone. And again, just really blendable. We can blend out the edges of that very easily. And then again, you just look for where it catches the light. There. Off my finger there. And in the powder, we have the Moonlit highlighting powder. And this is the quartz. This is the lighter shade of the two. And it does come in a mirrored compact. So we'll do. And this one is very, very light, and it's a very soft powder. This is very, very soft going on. So again, you can just kind of see that one. The powder doesn't have quite the light to it. Doesn't have quite as much almost shine to it as the stick does. So you can see the difference between the illuminating stick and the highlighting powder. And of course the topaz is a darker shade, so you'll be able to see a little bit more how that powder goes. So we'll put that up here. So you can see kind of the difference in the powder versus the illuminating stick there. These would be good more for your sun-kissed look, an alternative to a bronzer. But it's a very, very soft, very fine powder. So you would be able to use that pretty versatilely. You know, it would be easy to use with different types of brushes in different applications. So like I said, I really like our contouring and highlighting set because it's something that does make the contouring and highlighting just so much easier. So, you know, it fits in with that quick and easy makeup routine that I like to promote for folks. That you know, you shouldn't have to put in a ton of work to have beautiful makeup. So these really fit in well with that. I like all of these formulas, and the colors I think are going to be a great addition to our makeup line. Let's see. Next up, we have our highlighted skincare product for the campaign. It's not a new product. It's been around for a while. This is our vitamin C serum, and this is one of our best-selling treatments. I sell quite a bit of this. And they do have in the Campaign 7 brochure, they've kind of featured a little bit of information about how it works. But the featured ingredient obviously is vitamin C. That's why you'll see this kind of orange bottle. It's not to highlight the fact that vitamin C is that there's a lot of vitamin C in oranges. It's this bottle helps to protect the vitamin C and keep that ingredient stable. so that, so that it continues to work well and be effective for you. And what vitamin C does, the way it works is, vitamin C is an antioxidant, and it's abundant in fresh citrus, so oranges, limes, lemons, things like that. And it helps to neutralize free radicals. So free radicals are, they're formed in our cells after exposure to environmental aggressors, things like UV rays, pollution, and they cause darkening in the skin, and so the vitamin C helps fight those and has a brightening effect on the skin. So if you have that your skin is seeming dull, then this will help brighten it and give you give you back your glow. So, and it's a lightweight serum, so it works well. You would use it between cleansing and your regular moisturizer, and it has that lovely citrus smell. So if you like that fresh kind of orange smell, this, of course, has that as well. And speaking of things with pleasant smells, we have a limited edition collection in our Skin So Soft line that's debuting in Campaign 7. And so it not only has the signature oils that the Skin So Soft is known for, it also has shea butter. And then it has a scent of, warm musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. I smell the shea butter as kind of, if you were thinking of it in terms of a perfume, the shea butter is definitely the top note. And then the vanilla, musk, and sandalwood are just kind of under there to keep it nice and warm. And so we have the body lotion. We have the creamy body wash. It does come in a body butter, so if you like that richer, creamier formula in the jar. Has a hand cream, so you've got that focused formula just for the hands. And it does come in our signature bath oil. So it is a limited edition collection, but you do have the full line, so you can do, your body wash, your bath oil, and your lotion or body butter and your hand cream, all in the same scent and the same formula. And shea butter is just really known for supplying lasting moisture that moisturizing your skin in a way that really lasts. So again, it is a limited edition collection, so if you find that that this becomes your favorite Skin So Soft, definitely be sure to stock up on that, because it's only going to be available for a limited time. Let's see. Next up, we have my new favorite jewelry piece. I always have really loved our sterling silver jewelry. And of course, all of our sterling silver jewelry comes in the lovely little felt pouch, drawstring pouch to store it in, along with the special tissue paper. This is an anti-tarnish tissue paper, so you do want to keep your sterling silver jewelry wrapped up in that tissue in the special little bag to help prevent tarnishing of your sterling silver, so that you can spend more time enjoying your jewelry and less time cleaning it. This is the Princess Cut CZ Bypass Ring, and it has the beautiful princess cut stone there, and then it has the bypass design with the band that comes up above the stone, and you have the smaller stones in the band itself on the top there. It is a very dainty design, just to kind of give you a little bit of scale. It is very, very delicate, very dainty. But it's very classy, elegant design I really like. So that is the Sterling Silver Princess Cut CZ Bypass Ring. It's quite a mouthful, but it's one of our new sterling silver designs. There's 6 new rings in the sterling silver, so you're sure to find a piece that you like there. Let's see. Next up we have, of course, I've been highlighting a product each campaign from our new Espira Health and Wellness line. This campaign, we've got the Daily Essentials vitamin packs. It's a once daily multi-pack, and it has a multivitamin and omega-3 fatty acid capsule and a plant-based antioxidant capsule. So you've got a full range of, 19 vitamins and minerals with 100% or more of the daily value. You have the omega-3 are a full spectrum of omega-3 fatty acids that are found in wild Atlantic salmon. And I don't know how they've done it, but for a fish oil pill, the thing you most often hear about those is the fishy aftertaste that you get with those. I don't know how they did it, but this doesn't have that. And then the plant-based antioxidant, and it's from a variety of fruits and vegetables, and it's they were chosen to support your eye, heart, cellular, and immune health. And they come in a daily packet, so you've got all three, your multivitamin tablet, and then your fruits and vegetables capsule, and your omega-3 fatty acid capsule. Easy to travel, easy to grab and throw in a pocket, throw in your purse. If you don't have time to do this in the morning, you can grab it, take it with you, and take them whenever you have time throughout the day. Easy to tell. I actually will write the date on mine so I can easily tell if I have taken. So when I get a new box, I write out the date on each of them so I know if I've taken my my daily essentials for that day. So that is the Espira Daily Essentials. It comes in men's daily essentials, so a blend designed specifically for men's health needs. And then we have two formulas for women, and so it's for women under 40 or premenopausal, and then 40 plus for those going into or having gone through menopause. So those are the three in the Daily Essentials, and that's in the Espira Restore line. So that's the Restore line is geared towards filling the nutritional gaps in your diet. So especially the capsule with the fruits and vegetables in it. I know I personally do not get enough fruits and vegetables in my diet, and I think even people who eat the healthiest of diets have a really hard time getting in the recommended servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Because we just don't eat that much to be able to get all of the fruits and vegetables in each day. And then lastly, for Campaign 7, our A box for Campaign 7, and of course our A box is our specially curated collection that you can, and it's usually at least a $30, usually a $40 to $50 value. And you can get it for only $10 with any $40 purchase from the Campaign 7 brochure. And we have a returning favorite this campaign. This is the Best of Beauty A box. And I do still have one from when we had them before. So this is the A box. It comes in this lovely box packaged very nicely with the tissue. And this we have 2 full-size and 3 travel-size products. It's a $48 value, and these are some of our best-selling products. So we have our Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in Blackest Black. We have our True Color lipstick in Cherry Jubilee, which is one of our best-selling shades. It's a very, very pretty, kind of berry shade. And I believe this is actually the #1 selling shade of True Color lipstick in the Northeast region of Avon. We have a 2-week travel or trial size of our Anew Power Serum, which I recommend for any skincare regimen. It fits in beautifully with any skincare regimen and helps boost the benefits of the rest of your regimen. We have our Anew Ultimate Night Cream in the 2-week trial size or travel size. Great for travel, great for trying out something new. And then also the 2-week or travel size of the Anew Ultimate Day Cream with SPF 25 in it. So that's your Best of Beauty A box. It's available in Campaign 7. And again, that's $10 with any $40 purchase from Campaign 7. So that is all I have for you for this campaign. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you all again in 2 weeks.